To get your cliff or steel heater perfectly embedded, just follow these easy steps. Choose a suitable spot for your heater, ensuring you have room for a 424 x 424 mm opening and extra space around it for the embedding flange slats. Start by preparing a square opening with sides measuring 424 mm. Outline the dimensions on the sauna floor. Make sure not to cut the corners. You'll need them to secure the screws later. Mark a 19 x 19 space in each corner as indicated. With care, follow your marked lines and cut along them. For your safety, consider wearing protective goggles during this step. Remember, leave the corners uncut. They're crucial for fastening the screws later on. Peel off the protective film from the embedding flange. Place the slats into the opening. Ensuring they cover the cut edges. Connect the slats and secure the corners using screws. There you have it, all set up. For further questions, please visit our website www.huum.au or contact your local reseller.